Hey, this is Jeramie with Boga stand-up paddleboards. Today we're going to be going over the second part of the three-part yoga for stand-up paddleboard series. The second part is called a power phase. We're going to introduce some power poses that are going to strengthen your body and your legs and your arms and your core to help make your time on the water that much better.
The first pose we'll start with is Warrior 1. We'll step our left leg back, have our left foot facing 45 degrees, our front toe is facing forward, and a light bend with our knee over our heel. Arms overhead, gaze out, nice breath in. Exhale, we're going to turn our arms parallel to the ground, getting into Warrior 2. Really focus on engaging our left leg where we really put a lot of weight in our pinky toe side of the foot. Flow through your down dog and prepare for the next pose. We'll raise our left leg, bring it through to our hands, and set up for a lunge pose. Weight on the balls of our feet, hands come in the heart center. We will twist, locking our right elbow onto our left knee, gazing up towards the stars. From twisted lunge, we will get into revolved triangle. We'll step our back foot in, one foot, straighten our legs, bring our right hand down to either our left foot or to the mat. You can keep your left arm on your hip or extend it up to the sky, depending on how your balance is. Hold this pose again for 1 to 5 breaths, completing it and flow through down dog. Once again, we'll flow through down dog, starting in a 3-legged down dog. You'll bring your right knee towards your right tricep, hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Then bring it over into the center, bring your forehead to your knee, hold for 3 to 5 breaths, and then cross your body. So your right knee goes to your left tricep, 3 to 5 breaths. Switch sides and repeat the exercise. This is forcing you to use your triceps, really gaining strength in your hands, in your feet, as well as your core. You're noticing the twisting motion is utilizing our hips and forcing our obliques to work as well. We will then go down to our hands and knees to set up for arm extended, leg extended position. We'll take our right arm extended out and our left leg extended out. Hold for 3 to 5 breaths. On exhalation, bring our elbow and our knee back in together. Hold here again for 1 to 5 breaths. For a variation, you can just extend your right arm. Once again, we always want to listen to our bodies. If we're not able to hold both our arm and our leg out, start with these variations. Take a moment and extend your left leg back after you've completed the arm exercise. Bring this back in and switch sides. Left arm extended, right leg back. Exhale your breath. Bring your knee and elbow to meet. Straighten back out, exhale. This exercise strengthens the lower back muscles in the hip flexors, which will begin getting weakened on long paddles. Add this to your daily routine and you'll notice an increased time on the water and less lower back aches. The next pose is boat pose. We can start in the variation with our knees slightly bent, our gaze out over our toes, and our chest raised forward towards our knees. If this is okay and you would like more, you can then straighten your legs, bringing your toes straight up into the air, taking the bend out of the knees. From here, we'll slowly lower down to a hover. Hold this for 3 to 5 breaths. And then we're going to raise up one leg at a time. Starting with our right leg, we'll raise up over our left leg with our chest. Once again, keeping our chest up. Slowly lower, switch to left leg, raise up over our right leg. This exercise will also help simulate the twisting motion that your core goes through during a paddle exercise and training in races. By adding these, you're going to gain strength in your core and notice more power going through the paddle.
One thing to always keep in mind is that these videos are great guides. but always check in with your local yoga studio. Your yoga instructor will be able to help you get into these poses properly, make sure your alignment's great, and ultimately really reap the benefits that yoga has to offer. Thanks for checking us out. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the water.